Hello everyone. Do you have any issues with the GTA filter? You can't find it in the search field, and you would like to use it? It doesn't appear on other videos either? You're in the right place to solve this problem. So, let's start. Open TikTok. Click on this middle button. The camera is starting up. I have prepared a photo on my laptop from Pexels. Click on Effect on bottom left corner of the app. A text input field will open up. Enter GTA filter. Click on Create and be ready to take a photo. Wait a little. That's it. The GTA filter has been applied to your photo. Now you can share photo or save it to your device. Also, if you need to insert a music from GTA filter, click on song name here. Search for GTA filter. Choose first, GTA San Andreas. That's it. If this has helped you, please like the video and leave a comment so that others can see that the video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel.